to Minal Quran quiz. Explore the revelation of the Quran. Let's start. Question 6. What term describes the gradual revelation of the Quran? Answer: Tanzeel. Question 7. Which chapter is often referred to as the revelation of light? Answer: Surah Al-Nur. Question 8. How did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, receive the Quranic revelations? Answer: verbally and orally. Question 9. Who served as the primary scribe for the Quranic revelations? Answer: Zayd bin Tahbil. May Allah be pleased with him. Question 10. How did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recognize the revelations? Answer: through hearing a bell ring.